My name is Federico Nardella and I am a mechanical design engineer and I am from Bologna, Italy. I've been working in Toyota Group since 2016 and my task is to design and to develop mechanical parts of Toyota forklifts for European market. I've been using CATIA since I started working in Toyota Group, so more than 30 years. On the market, I think that CATIA is the most complete application for 3D modeling and for mechanical design. The model I prefer in CATIA is a generative shape design because it really does not have limits in modeling and in creating shapes. I also like sheet metal design because in CATIA this kind of model allows you to create sheet metal parts with few and simple operations. Design is a passion of mine, and to be a designer allows me to match creativity and the search of functionality of a component. I also like to go to CATIA as a community because I like to exchange ideas and 3D data and captures with other users of CATIA. I feel very proud to be part of a CATIA Champions Program, and I am very happy to be in touch with all the other CATIA champions from all over the world.